On my channel, I've been doing a series of gear lists going through what I carry for hunting. Most of my hunting is semi-backcountry, so anywhere from about 2 to 5 miles from a vehicle. I am in the east, so nothing super remote, but I wanted to cover first aid kits this time. I ended up filming this video 3 times now. What I've decided to do is actually split this into 2 videos. This first one's gonna be very quick, very succinct. I'm just gonna go through the contents. We're really not gonna discuss anything. If you're interested, you wanna know more about why I carry what I carry, I'm gonna make a second video, should release about the same time, that's going to go through detail of why I carry, kind of my rationale, some additional stuff. So first thing I carry, probably the most important thing you can have is this guy right here, a phone or a Garmin inReach, and not just any phone, but a phone with satellite connectivity. Ultimately, there are a lot of situations you can get yourself into that the only way to survive is going to be by getting attention and help quickly. If you break your leg or cut yourself, gunshot wound bad enough, really all you can hope to do is to treat yourself enough to survive until better help arrives. Either that or carry like 30 pounds a year, which I'm not gonna do. My whole kit here is about 7.5 ounces. It's really just meant to either make life a little more comfortable while I'm back there or allow me to survive to either self-rescue or until help gets there. But a big part of that is having a way to call for help. iPhone 14s and newer have satellite connectivity. I've tested it somewhat and it works pretty good. Otherwise, best option is going to be a Garmin inReach. Again, we'll talk more about this in the next video. I don't want to get too much into that. So for my first aid kit here, right on top is a tourniquet. Main thing you're worried about when it comes to hunting is gunshot wounds and puncture wounds from arrows. Next is some S-rolled gauze. I have got 2 large absorbent ABD pads. I have got 3 little packets of Celox, I believe that's how that's pronounced. That's a hemostatic agent, very similar to Quick Clot. I have got a small ampule of Dermabond, which is specially made for like skin, but it's basically just super glue. I have got a bug repellent wipe. That's really in here because I didn't have anywhere better to put it. But when bugs are really bad, you might as well consider that first aid because they will tear you up. And then last but not least here, I have got a small little baggie. It's got some Leukotape in here. Leukotape is super useful. By far the best thing I've found for blisters. One piece of that'll last me 5-6 days without coming off. Also in here is some Tylenol and some Benadryl. And that's pretty much it for my kit here. Last thing, I keep everything in a very technologically advanced plastic baggie. And I go through why in my longer video. I've got a lot of cooler bags, you know, some zipper pouches, some Kafaru pullouts, drawstring bags, but ultimately I've landed on using a plastic bag, and I'll tell you why in the other video.